All right, we're gonna take a fun little ride here in a 1972 Camaro. Previous owner had it for 25 years. He bought it from the original owner. And it was just a little stock 350 car, but he took that original motor and did a bunch of work to it. I mean, he liked to be a weekend racer, and you know, it's got about 400 horsepower, reliable horsepower. Got aluminum heads and an air gap, aluminum intake, Demon 4-barrel carburetor on there, which are kind of like a Holly. It's got 410 gears in the back, Posi-Traction. This thing scoots, a lot of fun. It's like a 12.5-second quarter-mile car, I was told. You know, so, but you can just drive it too, you know. It's got dual exhaust with turn downs. Some beefy Flowmasters on there. It's got a nice sound to it. But it's got power disc brakes, it's got power steering, so it's actually really easy to drive. It's got a cool little sport comp odometer tack there, some aftermarket gauges down there. As you can see, it's got really cool, good oil pressure, and it runs cool. It's like at 150. See if I can sneak out here without getting hit. It's got some cheater slicks on the back, some Mickey Thompsons. You can put regular tires on it, but it actually rides real nice. You just got to be careful in the rain. Little puppy gets squirrely on you. But yeah, so it's kind of like a weekend race car, but you can drive it. You can drive it to work and everything like that. It's pretty basic. It's got no radio in it. It's got gauges. It's got a horn. Got turn signals. Little cowl induction hood with some hood pins. It's fiberglass. Neat car. We'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you so you can get a look at it. All right, we're gonna do a walk around here with our 72 Camaro. It's kind of a plain Jane, but it's got some spoilers, front and rear spoilers, and it's got the split bumper kind of update kit that people like to do. It's finished in a royal blue, which is like a police interceptor color, actually, I found out. Pretty nice looking car. Yeah, cheaper paint job, but it's a little older and it still shines good. But it's a beast under the hood. It's got the original matching number 350, but it's all been punched out. It's got an Edelbrock aluminum heads. It's got an air gap aluminum intake. Also has a Holly or a Demon 4-barrel carburetor. Factory power steering, factory front disc brakes. It's got these Weld Racing wheels on there with some cheater slicks and Mickey Thompsons. You get them nice and sticky. The thing hooks up good. But you know, it's been to the track a couple of times, so it's kind of a street strip kind of car. It's reliable. It's got, you know, it's got about 400 horsepower. But it's got brake lights and horn and all that good stuff, so you can drive it on the road. Registered, don't have to smog it. Best part about these cars. Show you the interior. So they removed the rear seat, you know, for weight, which you can buy a rear seat for these. You can find them. And it's got a couple of later model Camaro front seats, B&M shifter. It's got some aftermarket gauges under the dash there. Also a column mounted tack, so you know what your RPMs are. But it's fun to drive, and it makes a good amount of noise, and people can hear you coming if that's what you like. If not, throw some better mufflers on it, quiet it up a little bit. Rob a little bit of horsepower, but it won't kill you. Great car, not a lot of money because it's not perfect, but it's a driver. Here's the power plant in the 72 Camaro. Again, like I said earlier, it's matching numbers, the original motor, but pretty much just the block. Everything else is updated. Got Edelbrock aluminum heads that they painted orange, so you can't really tell they're aluminum. Got a MSD ignition and distributor. Nice little engine dress-up kit. Electric fans, aluminum pulleys, serpentine setup. I'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Yeah, it's a runner. Grabs RPMs real nice. Nothing like a small block Chevy with a few screws turned on it. Sounds good, kicks up a little dust when you get on it. Leaves a couple of black strips. With that 410 Posi-Traction, it's a 10-bolt. Really cool car. Well, if you want to come out to see this in person, come out to Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car. Got a few other Camaros in the warehouse right now too. Give us a ring. Thanks for watching.